Crafty V, and today we're making dough out of Jello. All you need is half a cup of water, 1 cup of cornstarch, and 3 ounces of your favorite Jello. Let's get started. So I'm gonna add the cornstarch. Then I'm gonna add the Jello. Now then the water. Look at that. Now I'm gonna stir it. Dough out of Jello. I think we added too much water. It's more watery. I think we might need a little more cornstarch. Better. Assistant, can you help me, please? Thank you. Oh no. I dropped the spoon in there, now my hands are sticky. Yeah. Victory. Assistant is almost done. Ooh, Jello. Ooh, Jello. That's what it is. Ooh, Jello. Right, Mike? Assistant. We made OObleck again, guys, but out of Jello. See, look at it. I didn't even know Jello could even turn into OObleck if you add cornstarch to it and water.
Well, cornstarch and water is OObleck.
Yeah, but with Jello in it, I need gloves too.
Look,
we turned it into Jello, aka OObleck mixed with Jello.
Smell it. You went OObleck to Jello.
So it's Jello, guys. It's Jello.
That was wild.
It melted in my mouth. It really tastes bad, actually. It actually tastes like Jello. Doesn't it taste good?
It's okay.
So guys, just let it melt in your mouth. This isn't food, it's Jello. Just make this if your parents don't like you playing with your food. Ready, guys? So cool, right, guys? Smells good, it tastes good, just don't eat the whole thing. And don't even eat half of it. Guys, I think this is the best yet. A mistake, but this is an amazing mistake, right, guys? Right, assistant? Right, assistant? Isn't this a cool mistake? Want to know how to make Jello? It's OObleck method Jello. So good. Ooh, that's fun. Fun in the sun. Well, crafties, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Ooh.